Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to locate your phone on the My Version app. So if you want to locate your phone on My Version app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the My Version app. So if you have not installed the My Version app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. Now to locate your version phone, you can simply use the Version's official device locator service or the built-in phone features depending on the device type which you are using. So to locate a version phone, you just need to use the Version Smart Family or device locator. So Version device locator lets you track the location of your version phone on the map, and if you are using it, you just need to open the app and click on the option of devices, and you just need to select the device which you want to locate and click on the option of find my device, and it will show you the location of the phone which you are trying to search. But if you are trying to use the built-in phone features like find my device by Google and all of it, you just need to sign in with the Google account linked with it, and you just need to open it, and you just need to locate the device, and you just need to tap on it and click on the option of play sound. So if you click on the option of play sound, a sound will be played, and like this a pop-up will appear saying find my iPhone alert, and click on the option of OK. So that's it. That's how you can locate a device on the My Version apps. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.